I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After seasonal highs in the mid-50s to around 60 this afternoon, a warm front lifts north for highs in the 60s tomorrow and Friday, even to around 70 over northwest Kansas tomorrow. Elevated to near critical fire conditions are possible for the western sandhills that are along and west of a line from North Platte to Valentine, both tomorrow and Friday. Behind a strong cold front Saturday, northwest winds are gusty, possibly as high as 40 to 45. Highs on Saturday, cooling into the 50s. On the backside of low pressure, there could be a little rain Friday night into Saturday, but mostly to the north and northeast of the Tri-Cities. Lows for Saturday night and Sunday night on the chilly side in the upper teens to the mid-20s. Sunday is the coolest day with highs in the 40s. With the passage of a warm front, highs by Veterans Day rebound into the mid-60s to the low 70s. Long-term forecast continues the trend of warmer than normal temperatures the middle of next week through November 18th for Nebraska and Kansas. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall is below normal the early half of next week. By late next week through November 18th, above normal precipitation is expected in Nebraska and Kansas, especially for Nebraska. Key weather factors driving the markets include more quick shots of mostly rain from the northern to the eastern U.S., colder air this weekend, decreasing water levels on the Mississippi River, and returning rain in central Brazil. Across the Great Lakes and Northeast, a wave of low pressure brings some rain through tonight, including higher elevation snow from the northern Appalachians tomorrow morning. A storm moving through the Rockies emerges into the plains tomorrow evening, leading to rain across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes late tomorrow into early Friday, even thunderstorms Friday morning closer to the Ohio Valley and Indiana. The central and southern plains are dry through Friday with an increased wildfire threat. By the end of next week, warmer than normal air moves into the eastern half of the U.S., still watching for a bigger storm moving into the western U.S. the middle of next week, possibly with implications for the rest of the U.S. by the middle of the month. Mississippi River water levels continue to crest from north to south. Very little rain upstream is likely to lead to water levels on the Mississippi returning to hazardously low levels the late half of this month. In central Brazil, rain through next week continually gets reinforced by fronts moving north, helping to increase soil moisture for early growth of soybeans, including heavier and more beneficial rain next week. Across Europe, timely rains are keeping conditions favorable for winter wheat establishment in most areas. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.